Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here we make beginner fun friendly tutorials on Scratch, App Inventor, Thunkable, Minecraft, Roblox, and much more. So in today's video, we're going to look at how we can make an evil mob in Minecraft with the use of mCreator. So let's begin. This project utilizes artificial intelligence to have our mob think for itself. We're also going to design a block for it to spawn. We're also going to learn about how we can make use of ticks to have them spawn on top of our blocks. And with the use of AI, we're going to have these mobs look at us and then attack us. So let's look at how this project is going to look like. So now we're going to begin our project. First of all, please open mCreator as we'll be designing and coding our project here. To begin with, we click with the plus sign over here and then click on living entity. As I've used the name evil mob, here I can use evil mob, or I can use evil zombie. Then we click on create new living entity. Once we're here, we have an entity model. We're going to leave it at biped. Here we have a name of an entity. The next part it asks is the texture of the entity. This means to say what will our character look like. Right now I have 3 over here. But as we're making a new one, I'd like you all to head to open your browser on Google Chrome, and we'll have a page here called Pixel Art. And what happens with this is we want to create an image which is 16 by 16. So you can click on create new drawing and click OK. Once we're here, I have an image of a character which I've downloaded. I will click on file, click on open image, and then I will select this image here. So I'll click on OK. So once that's done over here, I've added this image. But if you notice, it's a bit too complex and put on the side. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on resize, and we're going to change this to 16 by 16. And then it's going to resize this drawing. Now this is what comes up. You can take in any image and just resize it to 16 by 16. And then you can color it inside. So I'm going to use a different bunch of colors. Select any colors you like and just color in. Once that's done, you can click on File and then Download. Here, make sure the width and height is 16 by 16, and then click on Download PNG. And then here, you can just place this back here, and then change the name, so you can put zombie. Make sure it's .png. Once we're done, we can just minimize this window here, and then we can click on plus, find our image from the desktop, and then click on zombie. Once that's done, you'll see your image over here. Next, we can click on behavior, make sure it's set to mob, and then we need to give it an item. So here we click on this, type in axe, I'll give in a diamond axe. Next, we click on particles, we don't have to add anything over here, and we click on inventory, we don't have to add anything over here. Then click on triggers. We'll be looking at this section a bit later on. And then we click on AI and goals. So make sure you enable the AI for the ability for our entity to think. Here, for entity base, we're going to change this to zombie. Next, over here, as we see, the tasks higher on the list have a higher priority. This is first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. What we can do is change things over here by bringing this up, clicking on combat tasks, and then taking on attack, placing this here, and we can check only inside and nearby. And then we can click again to see if anything extra we want to add. If we're done adding, we can click and move this back over here. You can click on spawning to see if anything's missing. So after we're done, we can click on Save Mod Element. So Evil Zombie is done over here. Next, we want to make in a block. So we're going to click on this and click on block, and we're going to call this the Evil Zombie block. Click on Create New Block. So for this, we need also a texture. What I would suggest is heading back to pixel art over here and creating a new image, file, new, click reload. Just make sure that the picture is 16 by 16. So new drawing. Make sure the width is 16. Same goes for the height. Once that's done, click on new drawing, click on OK. So now we just have to make the pattern of the block. You can use any design you like. I'm just going to make it very simple. After I'm done, I'm going to click on File, and then I'm going to download this image. So we click on Download PNG. After this is done, we can drag this image over here. So you can minimize that. I'm going to change this to the name of Zombie Block. Okay. Next, what we need to do is we need to select this and then click on Import. Click on this and select the block that we need over here. And once that's done, make sure that the block model is single texture. And then we leave these items here. So we leave this, we change the properties. So the material we're going to use is iron. And the block sound here, we're going to change it to metal. The creative inventory tab, we're going to leave this here as we don't have to change it to anything else as it's a block. Next, we click on advanced properties, then we click on tile entity, energy, triggers, and then generation. So as of now, we're going to click on save mod element here. So we've added this. Now we're going to look at making the procedure for our evil zombie. We'll click on plus here and then click on the procedure block. So let's find that. Here we can call this evil zombie procedure and then click on create new procedure. Once that's here, we can click on logic. And then here we can take out a not block and put this over here. Then we click on flow control, take out a if then statement, and then let's duplicate it and place another one inside. Here we're going to put if not, and then inside here we're going to click on world data and take out can location and x, y, z, see the sky. Then here it says if do. What we're going to do here is we're going to click on math and take out a random block. And then click on math again. And here we have plus. So we're going to click on logic and take out this equal sign here. And find the more than block and place that over here. Next, we're going to put in the random 0, 1 and place that over here. Next, we need to add in a math block. Put in 0, then add in here 0.8. So we're going to change that over here. So in order to spawn our zombie, we're going to click on world management over here and then take out spawn x, y. So we're going to take this out. Make sure that the living entity you are clicking on is the evil zombie mob here. So custom evil zombie. And then here we want the zombie to be placed on top of the box. So we click on math, take out the plus sign, and then put in y here. And then we're going to add in a number over here. I'm going to add in a number 2. Once you place this, you click on save mod element. Once that's done with our procedure, this is the procedure here. What we're going to do next is we're going to click back on the evil zombie block, head back to triggers, and in update tick, we're going to put the evil zombie procedure, and then click save mod element. Next, we're going to run our block. Click on evil zombie block, and click on this to run it over here. And that will open up Minecraft. After Minecraft is open, click on single player, open your new world, and wait for it to load. Once it's loaded, we're going to take out our block and then place it. Make sure you're in creative mode to check your inventory for the block, and then we'll see what we have to do next. Press on E, click on search items. You can type in zombie, and you'll see the block here, evil zombie block. We'll place this over here, and we'll place this, and then our mobs should appear. So you can see our mobs appearing, but as we're in creative mode, it won't do anything. We'll have to press /game mode S, and then for survival, press tab, press enter. Once you go in front of them, they'll start attacking you. As you can see here, I'm being attacked, and then I die. So this is how we're done with our project, and this is what the project looks like. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We hope you had fun. If you do like our videos and want to see more, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to First Code Academy on YouTube. Hope you had fun. Thank you. Bye-bye.